Hi, my name is Michael Godeck. I do software process engineering at one of the big global pharmas. And my talk at Kanban Global Summit in San Diego is titled Feedback and the Story of Phineas Gage. When people extol the virtues of evolutionary thinking and change leadership, they tend to brush over the detail that the pathway to survivorship in the real world is littered with the fossilized relics of those that lost in the evolutionary game. Evolution doesn't help you survive so much as it offers up ample opportunities to play into the hands of one extinction event or another. Unlike your average crustacean, your business doesn't have a million years to sort out a winning strategy, which has a lot to do with why so many digital transformation initiatives aren't headed for anywhere other than the bone pile. What you need is a sort of GPS for fast-paced navigation of the evolutionary fitness landscape. And that's effectively what the Kanban Maturity Model provides. Come and learn how to make the KMM work for you. Don't miss out on feedback and the story of Phineas Gage and other great talks from the best minds practicing Kanban today, because your survival may depend upon it. Right now, I'd like to read you into one of the discussions that's likely to carry over into the Leadership Summit, which runs through Friday. Kanban practitioners are always composing work as we find it into services. It's just what we do. And the Kanban Maturity Model provides meaningful guidance. But out in the wild, more and more people are talking the services talk, although it's often difficult to tell just how much their mental model of a service actually matches up with mine. One model that has made inroads into our organization is the Organized Services Operating Model. And you can read about their framing of the question at www.osom.guide. Another important mental model of services is elaborated by Majid Iqbal in his excellent book, Thinking in Services. To explore the question, I painted a sort of comparative triptych of those three mental models: Thinking in Services, the OSOM guide, and the more rigorous treatment of the KMM, a sort of services iconography, which we found to be very useful in drawing out what people actually have in mind when they talk about a service. So stay for the Leadership Summit in San Diego and let's talk through some important questions such as, what is this services thing anyway?